Hey, welcome back to another crafty tutorial. I'm Megan from meganplus5.com, and today I want to show you how I made these rustic painted stars. Now, I'll post a link below where you can buy your own DIY craft kit, or if you have all the tools to make these from scratch, I will post the tutorial that I made showing how I actually cut these out using my Cricut and my Ryobi scroll saw. The first thing that you want to do is to give your stars a coat of either red, white, or blue paint. I chose to do just one simple color on each one, and you want to do the layers thin so that you'll be able to see the wood grain through the paint. The thicker that you get your paint, the longer that it takes to dry, and it just doesn't give it a great finish if you use super thick paint on it. You want to totally let those layers dry, and then once those are dry, flip them over and then do the same thing on the back sides of each one. And if you want more coverage, wait till they're dry and repeat that first step. Once your stars are completely dry, you can start distressing them. So I just use 120 grit sandpaper, and I focus on the edges and the sides, and then I lightly go over the front and the back of each star. And once you're done distressing all three of your stars, you want to use a lint-free cloth like I'm using here and just wipe down all the sawdust off of them. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this really simple patriotic craft. If you have any questions, please leave them below and visit meganplus5.com for even more crafty tips and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.